Hey guys, so in today's video, we're taking a look at the SCOULITE Sparko. Let's open up the box and see how it works. So here, you can just open up the front, gives you some information, and then the light's right here. Just take that out, and there's the light itself. That. And at the very bottom, some accessories down here. You get your USB-C cable to charge it. And then there's also a manual inside as well, and a quick start guide. It's designed to clip or stand wherever you need it, giving you completely hands-free lighting. It only weighs around 40 grams, but it still puts out about 300 lumens, which is impressive for something this small. It has multiple ways to attach it by either clipping it to your shirt or backpack, or you can snap it magnetically onto a metal surface, or it can stand upright using its adjustable stand, which can also attach to your phone with MagSafe so you can use it as a selfie light. It uses CRI 95 plus LEDs, which means the colors it produces look natural and accurate, which makes a huge difference if you're filming, doing makeup, or doing repairs. You can also change the color temperatures between neutral white, cool white, warm light, or even red light mode. And each mode has multiple levels of brightness that you can switch through with one tap. It's built for everyday activities both indoors and outside. The silicone embedded wiring inside the body is designed to handle constant bending and flexing without worrying about damaging anything. It's also IPX5 water resistant, which means it can handle rain, splashes, and outdoor use without any issues. And the battery life is solid as well. It can run for up to 14.5 hours, and it charges with just USB-C, which is perfect for on-the-go use. A double click changes the lighting type, and a single click adjusts the brightness. It's simple and fast, which matters when you're using it in the dark. The magnetic mount and the clip both feel strong, and the stand gives you flexibility for positioning. So whether you're reading, filming, repairing something, or lighting up the campsite, it adapts instantly to whatever you're doing. So overall, the SCOULITE Sparko is one of those small tools that ends up being way more powerful than you expect. So if you want a hands-free light that can handle everything from outdoor adventures to content creation, then definitely check it out in the link in the description below. And I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace.